Realme Narzo N55, Prime Blue, 6GB plus 128GB 33 watts segment fastest charging, super high-res 64MP primary AI camera. Enjoy up to 12GB of dynamic RAM made up from up to 6GB of onboard RAM and up to an additional 6GB of dynamic RAM for next-level multitasking. Super high-res 64MP primary AI camera allows you to shoot crisp and clear shots in any scenario with incredible detail. The flagship-grade ProLight Imaging technology brings segment-leading low-light performance to the N55. Large 6.72 full-screen display on the Narzo N55 provides a segment-leading display with a center punch-hole display, 90Hz ultra-smooth refresh rate, 680 nits of peak brightness, and 91.4% screen-to-body ratio. Flagship-grade premium two-tone design makes the N55 stand out from the crowd. The 7.89mm thin beauty feels easy to hold and lightweight to carry around easily. With fast 33 watts SUPERVOOC charging, the Realme Narzo N55 charges up the massive 5000 mAh battery from 0 to 50% in just 29 minutes, making your life super convenient and stress-free.